Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie pockets, only way. Start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees F and prepare a baking sheet with parchment. Core and dice apples into uniform pieces, then cook briefly with sugar, cinnamon, and a squeeze of lemon until slightly tender. Cool filling before assembling. Roll dough into squares, add filling, fold and crimp edges, brush with egg wash, and bake until golden and bubbling. For a reliably tasty filling, choose firm apples and dice them evenly for consistent cooking. Sauté apples with sugar and cinnamon, then finish with cornstarch to set the juices while baking. Let the mixture cool so the dough stays flaky when folded. Taste as you go and adjust sugar by 25% if your apples are sweet. This keeps the pockets balanced and prevents runny filling that can burn on the pan. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation. On another note, a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with baking goals because smart saving funds more kitchen adventures. Check the description for the link and other deals, treat yourself to the book, and now let's get back to the video. When assembling, keep dough chilled for easy handling and neater edges. Spoon measured filling into the center, fold over, and press seams with a fork for a classic look and secure seal. Brush each pocket with egg wash for color and sprinkle a touch of sugar if you like sparkle. Bake on a lined sheet until golden brown and bubbling, then cool slightly so the filling sets before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.